If you're looking for an awesome electric ratchet set, 3/8 inch, you're absolutely going to love this. This is the Shield Pro. It comes in this really nice case. This is the actual device itself. I already have a battery hooked onto it. I just kind of wanted to show you how this came. The case does close just like that. So when we open this up here, you're going to get a battery charger. You also get a second battery as well, which is really nice. Then over here, we have a 3, a 6, and a 10-inch extension bar. Then over here, we have all the other inches. So we got a 10 millimeter, a 12, a 13, a 14, and also a 17. You're going to get 2 batteries, like I said, and you also have 45 pounds of torque. So how this works here, you're going to hook your ratchet up right here, and then this bar right here, this is going to be the up. So when it's up, it's ready to go. When it's down, it locks, and then as soon as you hit right here, you'll see it goes really, really fast. You got 45 pounds of torque on that. So if you're looking for a great electric ratchet, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.